Otumfuo Osei Tutu II is in the news again. This time, the king answered a century-old question. Why did you sell your own to the whites as slaves? This is a question that we've all been pondering over the years. The king has answered that question. Let's listen to the king.
I was not confronted, but I met a Sudanese in Holland. And she wanted to ask questions. I said, let her ask. She said, Majesty, why did you sell it to the people there? Why did you abandon us? I said, my dear, let me be very honest with you. As I speak to you now, we are all now educated and civilized and all those things. But we are still being manipulated by the West. So 400 years ago, if at this stage I'm still being manipulated, my economy and everything is in their hands, what would you have thought about 400 years ago? Where my granduncles were, what? They didn't know anything about anything. So they went there, forcibly bringing Kofi here, Kofi asserting his authority to get back. So I said to she came back, knelt before me and shook my hands and said, Majesty, I thank you. I thank you very much for being very frank and open with me. I said, so it wasn't our fault. They're still controlling your economy wherever, my economy wherever. So we are not in charge of it again still. America, Britain, everywhere it's happening. We still will be manipulated. They will still come to us to take our resources and take it back there. That is why we have to sit up and then see how best we can manage our own affairs.
John.